Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Matilda and today I'm going to be learning to cook fried rice with my grandma. And this is new to me because I'm very much an amateur cook. I can make rice and cook an omelet, but that's about it. I really want to learn cooking with my grandma because she is like the goat of Chinese food. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this is going to turn out. Fried rice is like the basic of the basics, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and hopefully you guys will learn some cooking skills too. So yeah, let's just get into this. So you'll need green peas, carrots chopped, onions chopped, bacon if you don't have Chinese sausage diced, 2 eggs, pepper, salt, oil, soy sauce, brown sugar or sugar, white rice cooked, and spring onions are optional for finishing touches. This will probably feed about 4 people and the list will be in the description below. Okay, so since my grandma doesn't want to show up, I'll tell you what we're doing. First you gotta do all the vegetable prep, so I'm just peeling the onion right now and the carrots, and then we're gonna chop it all up. So you can see I was kind of struggling here, but basically the trick is to cut the vegetables diagonally so they don't stick to the knife, if that makes sense. And the bacon is just slice and dice. Turn the stove on medium heat. Throw in some oil. Then add the onions. And the carrots. A pinch of salt. Mix everything up. Throw in the peas and mix everything up again. Add a little bit of water and mix and let it simmer, if that's what you call it. Add the bacon and let it cook. Now it's time for the rice. Throw it in and mix it really quickly so it doesn't stick to the pan. If it sticks too much to the pan, just lower the heat. Add a little bit of pepper and a little bit of sugar, and obviously the soy sauce, that's key. Then mix everything up quickly again. Now it's starting to get that color. Open up a spot for the eggs, throw them in and scramble them, and then mix everything up quickly again so it doesn't stick, and blend everything evenly so everything gets a little bit of egg. I'm getting hungry just from watching this, guys. Now for the finishing touches.
Deixa dizer o que é isso?
O que é isto em inglês, pai?
Celery.
Não é celery.
Não é?
Celery é ripe. And there you have it, a beautiful homemade bowl of fried rice.
Receita da avó.
Grandma's recipe, even though she didn't want to be in the video.